Who mooses? So today, who is that? Is that Serge? This is my uncle's and aunt's dog. The dog is the cutest thing ever. Serge! Serge. I'm just sitting out by the pool, the slide stuff. Serge! Serge! Come here! He's a puppy. He's really cute. So how's your day been going? Good? That's good. What are you doing? Come here. Serge. Come here. Come here. He doesn't want to. He just wants to sit. Okay, well, I just want to show you guys Serge because we got rid of Jake. It's just so sad. Okay, thanks for barking. Oh no! Dogs are attacking. Aw. Say hello. Say hello. Look. Say hello. Say hello to the audience. No? No?
No.
He just wants to come inside.
Over here. He's like,
There you go. 1 second. There you go. Yes? No? No.
he smells food, that's why.
Aww. There he goes.
Say hi, Abby. Say hi.
Oh.
He's like, you must have food. I smell food.
So, I'm gonna go because I gotta go eat. So that's fine. Okay, goodbye, moochers.